Exporting your team's chat history is a breeze, but it's important to follow each step carefully. Let's walk through it together. First, open any browser on your system and search for Microsoft Export My Data. Click on the first link, which directs you to the Microsoft support page for exporting or deleting your data in Teams. Scroll down and select the option to export and delete your messages, call log, and media from chats and communities. Click on the export page link, which will open a new tab. Sign into your Microsoft account by entering your email and password. You'll have the option to stay signed in if you prefer. On the export page, select the data you want to export. This typically includes chat history, which encompasses sent and received chat messages. You can also choose to export media if desired. After selecting your preferences, click Submit Request. Your export will be prepared, and you'll be notified when it's ready for download. Once prepared, you can download your chat history from the provided link. If it's still pending, you can check back later. That's it. Following these steps ensures you can easily export your team's chat history.